And welcome back to another video. This is Crypto Coins, and in this video we're going to go over what it's like to be invested in Klima DAO for the past 20 days. But most importantly, a lot of you guys have a lot of different questions, and if you're new to investing in these DAO projects and you're having a little bit of headaches of how this works, make sure to watch the whole video. I'm going to answer a lot of questions in this video and read the comment section and help you guys out with some of the common questions I've been receiving about different things, about staking, about the calculator, about Discord, and my general outlook about this project. We've been seeing crypto right now, today, as of today, having a pullback. So I'm going to go over that. I'm going to go over a little bit about Bitcoin and show my actual real results. So before we get to the video, make sure to check out Discord. Links under the description. It is free. You can comment down below on YouTube or also join Discord, where we have a community of active members always answering each other's questions. And the ones that we see that are not being answered, I do a little extra research and then I share it here on my YouTube channel. So make sure to check out Discord. It is free. And if you'd like to support this free content, make sure to check out my Patreon. Links under the description for that as well. Let's get to the video. I have a lot of comments before we see my actual results as of today, and most importantly, I really want to focus on answering different types of questions here. Let's start off with the first comment. AJ wrote here, invested $100, now at $80, made 20% loss in 5 days. I'm sorry to hear that, AJ, but the reason I created this channel is this is not a signals channel. This is a channel where I'm looking to invest my money for a longer term period. This is not a trading channel. I do personally feel bad when people lose money, but I am just sharing my personal experience. I'm not a crypto guru. I'm just a regular guy like you guys, creating this community and together figuring this out. I do have some trading experience, and I am trying to apply what I've learned in the past couple of years as a trader and investor. My personal outlook on these projects is not to come in here and expect to become a millionaire. You shouldn't either. So I'm sorry to hear that. Use my information for a grain of salt. Don't use it as a signals channel. Use it as just another point of reference of information to make better decisions for your personal investments. Thank you for that comment. This is real. People will lose money, and if you close that position, you will lock in those losses. So you need to have a strategy coming into these investments as an entry and exit strategy. Hopefully that helps you, AJ, to reposition yourself, whether you close out this position or you hold longer or add into it. Thank you, AJ, for that comment. Losses are real. Next comment here. Loving the content. Keep us updated on the progress. Just like Noswas and many other people, I'm just tracking what it is to be invested in these projects and answering any questions that come along the way as a new investor. I knew when I came in here with these projects, there was a lot of questions I had, and slowly I've been figuring it out. So thank you, Noswas, for that comment. I will make sure I continue the updates. Next question here from Moizuden. The minting rate has fallen drastically on Time Wonderland. Any thoughts on that? Yes, on minting on Time Wonderland. I made a video on Time Wonderland a few days ago about minting, and the incentive was higher to mint than to stake at that moment. And since that video, I saw a lot of people also talking about it. It was not only me talking about minting, and I think a lot of people started minting. So when you start minting, the APYs go down. So the more people rush to one part of investing, the yield goes lower. Same with staking. The more people stake, the yield will go lower. The less people stake, the yield will go higher. As of now, if we look at Time Wonderland, Time and MIM, liquidity pool token, is giving you the best rate at 3.84, and the current staking rate here is almost 10%. That means since my minting video, a lot of people started minting, not just from my channel, from different channels. I'm not saying it was all due to my channel. A lot of people started minting. They saw the loophole, and you earn about 3% higher than whatever is saying here if you auto reinvest those gains every 8 hours when you mint. And apparently everybody jumped on it. So now the APY is higher because a lot of people are minting, and soon enough these will go lower if people continue to mint. Right now the incentive is to just simply stake. You'll make more money. So these numbers are going to continuously change. This is why I didn't mint. I just stayed staking because it's the easiest route and it's consistent. And yes, sometimes it will be better to mint, but when I do staking, it's out of sight, out of mind, and I don't have to do anything. And I don't have to worry about swapping back and forth. But if you did mint, you did lock in that rate, and you are getting those returns. After 5 days locking up your tokens, you could unmint them, you can remove them, and start staking again. So that is my thoughts on that. For now, I'll continue to stake and just keep it automated. Thank you for that question. Next question. The Discord link in the description does not work. Can you reply with a working link, please? Really want to join. Thank you, Tara. Yes, I did. I'm such a noob. I did put a... I was putting a Discord link under the description of my videos that expired. So I refreshed that. Everybody's welcome to join. Once again, it is free and it will not expire going forward. It's now working again. Thank you, Tara, for the notice. Next comment, it's compounding interest also. The longer the stake, the more you make. So you're not really explaining thoroughly. So this is in one of my videos. Harry, thank you for the comment. I was talking about staking and the APY, but one thing you guys need to take into consideration, Klima currently is giving you a 40,000 APY, and it's rebasing every 8 hours with a daily rate of 0.0 something percent. And yes, that auto stakes. So in a year, including the auto staking, this is what this number is reflecting. So yes, you are auto staking every 8 hours, making an APY, and those gains compounded in a year is what's giving us a 40,000. So it's not like you're getting 40,000 plus the rebase of every 8 hours. You're gonna make more money than this 40,000. This is already calculated in the price. Hopefully that helps you out. This is why I haven't really mentioned it, because auto staking your position is gonna give you the current APY they're claiming. So thank you, Harry, for that comment. I hope that helps some people that were thinking about those returns. Jeremy here wrote, love it too, have been staking time. Klima and Hector DAO, always looking for new projects to maximize passive income streams. Thanks for the content. Jeremy, thank you for the compliments. And yes, just like everyone else, I'm constantly looking for new projects and streams to make passive income and moving my money slowly. So obviously, if this moved a lot faster and I can make 100% return on my investments, then this would be going a lot faster. But if I knew how to do that, or we all knew how to do that, we will all be billionaires. So it takes time, it takes patience, and I think here we have a good chance of making some good returns. Thank you, Jeremy, for showing me some love. On to the next comment here. Copper Crow wrote, great video. I'm new to crypto. Can you share the spreadsheet? Yes, you can have the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet calculator is free. If you go to my main page, the main video that is playing gives you a whole guide of how to use my calculator and the link to download that calculator and how to use it. So if you want to get the calculator, you need to join my Discord, click on DAO calculator, and that will send you to the spreadsheet where you can either copy it or download it. So yes, it is free and it's on my Discord. Make sure to see that video. I explain how to use the calculator. Thank you, Copper Crow, for the comment. Next comment here. Zacho. Is it meant to be pronounced Klima or Klima, as in climate? Heard Klima was German, though it was Klima too. Ha ha ha. So it sounds, I did a little bit of research here. Actually, I'm gonna go with Klima, as in climate change. I think it is Klima. So based on the little research that I did, I think it's gonna be Klima. So going forward, I'm gonna go with Klima. Thank you, Sacco, for that comment. Next comment here. If I unstake Memo, it will add to my time, or I need to make Memo wallet. So a great question here. If you unstake your Memo, it will give you back time. And another thing that I've said previously in my other videos is that once you stake your time, you won't see time on your wallet or the Memo, the memories. But I do have a tutorial here. If you guys are staking any token and it's not appearing in your wallet, I'm going to go specifically for Time Wonderland for this tutorial. But if you guys want to, you guys would have to do a similar process and find the information on any other token that you guys don't have. So I'm going to do this tutorial on Time Wonderland just to show you how to add memories into your wallet. You go to wonderland.money, you enter the app, you go to docs, you scroll down here, you go to contracts, and you have it here. So let's do it together here. All the information is here. I'm going to do it on my MetaMask. You can also do it on your Trust Wallet. I also do have Trust Wallet, but for the sake of the convenience, I'm going to do it here on my MetaMask. So here's the contract. You click here. Here's the information. Here's the decimals. Here's the information. You just copy the address of the contract. So you go to your MetaMask. Right now, I did add wrap memo on a previous tutorial. So now you go to import tokens. You paste information there, and it gives you the information automatically, the token and the decimals. Add custom token, import tokens, and now I have it here. So if you do stake your memories, now you can see it on your wallet. Make sure you also select your Avalanche network. I see a lot of questions out there, people selecting the wrong wallets and not seeing their tokens being reflected. Make sure you add the Avalanche network and you select the right network, and you can see your coins. So that's how you add memo if you want to see how much memo you have on your wallet. This is why it's important to watch every video from beginning to end. I always have tutorials and answer a lot of questions that people have in investing in these projects. Thank you for that comment. Ira, yes, to answer your question, it will add it to your time. And no, you do not need to make a memo wallet. Memo wallet memories is part of the Avalanche network, and that's how you will add the token if you would like to see it. But it will switch back to your time. Thank you for that comment, Ira. Next comment here. Your Klima calculator isn't with your time calculator Google Sheet. You have link. Have I missed something? Thanks. So the calculator I do have on my Discord, the free one that I have for everyone, it's a universal calculator. You could change the inputs there and have it generate for any token or any crypto for that matter. Make sure you watch my calculator video where I explain how to use it completely and change the inputs to any token. The whole tutorials are there. Everything is free. And yes, you just have to change some parameters and you'll be on your way. You can use it for any token. It could be Time Wonderland, Klima DAO, Olympus, or any other token you would like to put in that calculator. Thank you, View, for that comment. Next comment. What did you do with your memo? Explosion wrote here, what did I do with my memo? I just had a tutorial with my wrap memo and about memo and wrap memo. And to answer your question, I did absolutely nothing. I did not wrap it, and I just have regular memories. I just have it on my wallet like that. Not going to go through the extra steps. I don't think there was a need, but I did do that tutorial to explain to those who had that question about tax implications. Thank you, Explosion, for that comment. Next comment here. Anish, thanks for a good review from Nepal. Wow, thank you, from Nepal. We have Anish from Nepal. Shout out to all the viewers from Nepal watching me all the way over here from the US. Thank you, Anish. I hope my information is helping you in your investment decisions and making some money, baby. Let's go. And thank you, everyone, for your comments. I hope that answered a lot of your questions. And as usual, write your comments down below in the comment section of this video. I read through all of them. You can also join the Discord and write your questions there. I hope that helped. I know I answer a lot of different questions from different tokens, but it is all relative to each other. And I hope these tutorials help you guys. So now let's get into the numbers and my actual thoughts of what's happening right now. I want to start off by looking at Bitcoin right now. This is a simple chart. Let me refresh this, make sure it's reflecting the latest numbers. Let me click here on the 30-day. So Bitcoin right now is down. It's at 57,700. And in the past 30 days, it's making new lows. So we are seeing a slight sell-off right now throughout Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the major coins. So that is also reflecting on these smaller tokens and projects. Let's take a look at the 90-day here. We're still relatively high. We did have a low of around, 42,000 in the past 90 days. And And if we look in the past 14 days, we're seeing a bearish descending pattern here. So just something to be aware of. This will affect all the altcoins and any other project. Let's look at Klima DAO to see what this looks like. Let me refresh here, make sure it's reflecting the latest numbers. Let's go to the price, and we're back down to 1,141. So Klima is continuing to sell off. If we take a look at the 7-day, the 14-day, it is in a bearish pattern here. It looks like it's kind of trying to find some support here around $1,000. What is this figure? 1,071. It looks like it's finding some support around $1,000, but it is selling off. So this is looking good. If you like these projects, this is a great time to start adding a position or cost averaging down into a position. I do have some Klima here that I have bought closer to 2,000, and I do plan on adding more money into this position, but I'm going to continue to hold and wait until I make some gains in some of my other positions. Currently, I have 0.3158 S Klima stake. My next rebase is in about 2 hours. The next rebase is 0.55%. Return on investment 5-day rate is 8.59%. The APY currently is at 40,980%. It's almost 41,000% for Klima. Let's take a look at my position. So currently, I only have $500 invested. I have 0.3158 coins here. The market price of Klima currently is around $1,100. The market value of this position is at $361. I'm losing $138. That's negative 27%. Nothing much has really changed from yesterday, but I am continuing to earn more tokens here. So let's input these figures. Let's see what's going on and see what the chart looks like here. Market price currently is $11.44. Let's put today's date, 11/18/2021. I still only have $500 invested. Currently it's at 11. Let's scroll here, 11/44/24. And my position is 361.35. And as you can see, when I started investing in this project 20 days ago, the price when I bought it was somewhere around 2,100. We did see it go up to 21.15, and now since then it's been declining drastically. So now that is reflecting here on my graph. I've invested $500. Coins that I bought only 0.2244, and I've earned 0.0914 coins. So the good thing is the APYs are high, so it combats those downturns. This would have been a lot lower, closer to 40%, if I wasn't earning tokens. So yes, the price of Klima is going down, which is the red here. The blue is my cash invested, which is flatline at $500, which I'm glad I didn't add the full $1,000 that I had in mind and that I had allocated to it. And then we have the market value yellow here of my position, which is lower. So overall, my thoughts right now with these projects, Klima right now is down, so is Bitcoin, and we are seeing a slight pullback right now. So is this a crypto storm? Is this what we're talking about where everything's going to go down? It could be the beginning. I don't know. But does it matter to me? No, I don't care what it does. I don't care if this is a crypto storm. I don't care if we go down 50, 80%. Why don't I care? I don't care because this is money that I could afford to invest relative to my income and to my lifestyle. So I invested something that I could afford, and I have a longer term outlook on this position, and I don't really care what it does. And coming into these projects, I know they're risky, and you should keep that in mind. So you shouldn't put your life savings on these projects. You should put something that makes sense, that you could afford, and not leave you homeless or worried every time it drops 10 to 20%. If you get nervous every time it drops, I think you are sized up too much. You need to size down. These coins, I wouldn't trade. Up to you if you want to trade. So as a trader, you do have thresholds. If you go down 10%, 5%, 15%, you close it and you lock in the losses. Now, I'm not trading these. I don't think you should either, but to each their own. So I can see a 30% fall. I can see a 50% fall. I can see an 80% fall. It's not going to shake me out. I'm going to continue to track it. Crypto is extremely volatile. And we can see this 10-20x without the APY in 6 months, 1 year. Who knows? Or maybe these projects are rug pulls and we all go down. One thing is for sure, these are all new systems and projects, and there's nothing else like it. So do I want to be involved on them? Absolutely. Maybe one of them will be something. So I am invested in Klima, I am invested in Time, and I am invested in Olympus, which I still haven't made a video on. Those fees are too high. The gas fees are way too high. It's expensive to get in, especially with little money like this. And I probably paid 30% on my investment in fees to get into that position. And I don't think I'm going to add to it. So I haven't really talked about it because I'm not as excited as I am with Klima and Time, but it is the original one. And so I just staked what I staked. I'll eventually make a video about it when I think the time is right. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot of information jam-packed in each video, from the comments to tutorials and to actual real results. So it's very important that you watch it all. And make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe buttons down below. It really helps out the channel. Check out my Patreon and Discord. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.